Salem is a smart boy, he said.
It is nighttime, and the moon is up high in the sky.
Salem turns on his bedside light to read. He looks at a picture on his wall. It is a strong knight. The knight has a sword in his right hand.
I am like a knight.
Then he turns off the light and goes to sleep. He dreams that he becomes a doctor and puts his blue tie in the right.
Hi.
Knight!
Night. Light. Right. What does Salem do at night? When does Salem read? What does Salem do before sleep? What does Salem dream? Where is the knight?